Welcome to Pinoy Scoop. For today's news, Vice Ganda and Vong Navarro shared a tight embrace on its showtime on Wednesday, marking the first time in nearly 2 months with all the hosts of the noontime show in attendance. Vice Ganda returned to the show on Wednesday from a concert tour in the United States, and Curtis pointed out that the last time they were complete was back in January. Inspired by the viral Oscar selfie initiated by host Ellen DeGeneres, the group posed for a picture while on stage before sharing a group hug. Napanood ko ang pagbabalik mo sa TFC. I was crying the whole time. I was watching tapos sabi ko, "Hay, nakakainis. Sana nandoon ako. Gusto ko siyang yakapin," Vice Ganda told Navarro. "Pero okay lang, nandito ang espiritu ko at nandoon ang espiritu niyo, so hindi tayo nagkakahiwa-hiwalay." Vice Ganda said he was happy to see Navarro entertaining audiences again. "I'm so glad to see you again na formado, lalo na kapag sumasayaw ka. Yung moment na nakikita kong nagpapatawa ka, gumagaan ang pakiramdam ko kasi nasasabi ko sa sarili ko na kahit paano, okay na ang kaibigan ko. At kapag okay na ang kaibigan ko, okay na ako," he said. "Ikaw talaga ang binalik ko dito. Sabi ko naman sa iyo, babakla-bakla lang ako pero lalaking-lalaki ako kapag pinanindigan ko ang kaibigan ko. Hindi ka namin lahat iiwan, laban natin to," Vice Ganda assured Navarro. To break the emotional atmosphere, Vice Ganda also shared what Filipinos in the United States asked him to relate to Navarro. "Iba ang pakiramdam kapag ang binubulong sa iyo ng mga tao. Pakisabi sa buong Showtime family, love na love namin kayo at pakisabi kay Vong, I love you. Ang daming nagpadala sa iyo ng sulat na may mga laman. Nabuksan ko na at naipang-shopping ko na," he added, drawing laughter from the audience. Navarro, for his part, thanked Vice Ganda for standing by his side throughout his ordeal. For more news, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/PinoyScoop.